A homeless person you picked off the street, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And for my page you have to go to new stickers at highlights. And here the first story is, if not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here, which is a tutorial which shows you what to do to fix it. So make sure to click that if you're not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, let's keep tapping until we find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button right here, and you can also check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video to that tutorial to solve this problem. So now you can go to your uploads and choose that homeless person that So I will go with this photo of my boyfriend because I want to make a joke. I think everyone is doing the same. But if you have a picture with a homeless person you picked off the street, you can add it here. But like I said, this is just a joke. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. And if you want many others viral stickers, then you can check the super viral at highlights. So from my page you can go to super viral, and here you'll only find viral trends. And if you want more add yours viral stickers, you can get them on my YouTube account. So you can check these too if you want. As you can see, they are super viral at this moment. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.